Welcome back to HQ Travel. Today, we're visiting Central Village, one of the Bangkok's biggest luxury outlet destination. If you love shopping for premium brands, but you don't want to pay full prices, this is a place you should know about. It's located near the airport. Central's Village offer a completely different shopping experience that's from Bangkok city malls. The main reason people come here is the discounts. It's really huge. Many stores offer outlet prices with promotions that can go up to 90% off on selected items. This means you can find international fashion brands, sportswear, shoes, bags, and lifestyle products at much lower prices than regular stores. Unlike busy malls like Central World or CM Paragon, Central Village feels more relaxed, super relaxing. The open air makes it comfortable to walk around, explore stores, and take your time looking for good deals. It's a good one, right? In the center of the outlet village, you will also find a food area when you can stop for a meal. Grab a drink and take a break between shopping because you will definitely feel so hungry. For many visitors, it can be a great stop before a flight to do some shopping and enjoy a few hours before leaving Thailand. If you enjoy outlet shopping and finding premium brands at its better prices, Central Village is definitely worth adding to your Bangkok list. Thanks for joining me today and subscribe to H Crew Travel for more places to explore.